Friends, now that we have seen how to launch Unix in Windows, now our work is very easy. We can directly start sample Perl program. So first of all, what we are going to do is we are going to write two different programs as a first sample Perl program. The first one will be printing a hello world string on a screen. So this will be the very first program that we are going to write. Then next program that we are going to write is reading and writing a line of text from user, so that we'll be able to see how Perl is used in our day-to-day activities. So this is a terminal on which we are going to write programs. So first of all, let's see how to write a Perl program. There are two ways. We can directly write a Perl on a command prompt, and the second is we can write the complete Perl program in a file and we can execute a file. So let's see the first option. So first program about hello world, we are going to see it by two ways, and second program we are going to write it only through script. So let's go for first program to write a hello world string on a command prompt, on a screen. So first of all, what we have to do is we have to type Perl and press enter. Then on next line the cursor will be shown, but no command prompt, this till hash will not be shown. So this means we are within Perl utility now. So whatever we are going to write, it will be used as an input to this Perl utility. So we have to write print space double quote and hello world. And similar to C, we have to write /n to print a new line character at the end of this string, double quote complete, and just like C, we have to use semicolon to terminate this particular statement. Once this is done, we have to press enter. We'll be at next line, we have to press Ctrl D. That's it. Once you press a Ctrl D, the hello world string, this print statement, will be executed within this Perl utility, and hello world is printed on screen, and we have got our command prompt back. So this is first way to execute a Perl program, to write and execute a Perl program. Other way is through a script. So we are going to write a script called prog1.pl. So I'm going to open that in a VI editor. VI space prog1.pl. Press enter. A new file will be opened. This is how it is shown here. prog1.pl, new file. Now using I, we are going into insert mode, and we have to write a shebang line at the first statement. So that will be hash exclamatory mark /usr/bin/perl. The next line that we are going to write is actual statement, that is about print space double quote hello world double quote, before that /n double quote semicolon. Next line, now press escape to go into command mode, escape, then colon W Q to save and exit this file. Now that we have written our program in this prog1.pl, let's do a cat on prog1.pl. So this is how our program currently looks like, but this is not an executable file. We have a shebang line, so this shebang line will specify which utility to use to execute this program. So Unix will know, like, we have to use this utility to execute this program, but before that we have to make this prog1.pl executable. Any script has to be executable. So this is shown as X here, X, X, X. So this way we have to make this executable. So select this chmod plus A plus X and prog1.pl. So this way we are changing the access modifier for a prog1.pl and we are adding executable to all users. Just press enter and do ls-lrt. Now here it is. The color of the file is also changed. Now it is shown as executable file. See, you can see the difference here. X is added at the for all of the users, user, group and others. Everyone is given an execute permission. Now what we have to do is we have to press /. We have to type / and the name of this script prog1.pl and then press enter. This is how it is shown here. Here you can see hello world is printed on the screen and we have got our command prompt back. It means prog1.pl is executed and we have again reached to the command prompt. Now the next program that we are going to write is read some text from the user and print it back to the user. So that will be our prog2.pl. So we have to open that, vi prog2.pl, press enter, hash, just go to insert mode first, hash exclamatory mark /user/bin/perl. So this is a shebang line. Then on next line we have to declare a variable $input equal to, in curly bracket, in angular bracket we have to write stdin angular bracket close semicolon, enter. What this mean is I'm declaring a variable called input and I'm assigning a value to it and the value is coming from this stdin. It means it will read something from the user and it will be assigned to this variable. Very simple. And on next line we have to write print in double quote string you entered is colon double quote complete, then dot $input, then dot double quote /n double quote complete semicolon. This is one way to print something on screen. The other way will be as it is, directly $input then /n. We are done with our program. Just press escape to go into command mode, :wq, enter to save and quit. Now let's see the content of the file prog2.pl. Yeah, whatever we have written, it is saved and we are able to see the file. Similarly, we have to make this also as executable. chmod A plus X space prog2.pl, enter, clear everything, do ls-lrt. Now you can see prog2.pl is created and the execute permission is given to all the users. Now just do / and prog2.pl. Now that we have typed everything on screen, just press enter and now it is waiting here for the user input. That's because we have specified $input equal to stdin. So what we have to do is we have to type some string here. So I'm going to type A-1 space tutors and press enter. That's it. So once I press enter, whatever I have typed is assigned to $input and that $input is shown as a string you entered is A-OneTutors. This is the first statement print and this is the second. Let's see the content of file one more time. Here it is. So it's a shebang stdin. So this is the text that we have typed and it is assigned to $input, and then print command has printed everything on screen in two different ways. The first is, this is first string, then dot is the concatenation operator, and this is the second variable, then again concatenate to this third string. So this is the one way to write something on screen. The other way is directly using the variable within the double quotes. This is also a valid statement, but if you use within print instead of double quote, if you use single quote, let's see what happens. I'm going to open this proc2.pl one more time. I'm going to the last line and then I'm just copying everything from this last statement. Just one thing changed is instead of double quotes I'm using single quotes. Semicolon, enter, save and quit. Now let's see the content of the file one more time. And let's execute this script one more time. It is waiting for user input. A-OneTutors, enter. Yeah, here it is. Whatever we have written in single quotes, it is not processed. So this string is printed as it is. See, this is the string that we have given. Because of these single quotes, whatever we have given and has a special meaning is not processed and everything is displayed on screen as it is. So this is the use of single quote and double quote. Double quote will make sure all the variables and all the escape sequences are properly processed and are displayed accordingly on the screen. But if it is a single quote, it will not be processed and everything will be displayed as it is. So this is how a Perl program is written. This is a sample Perl program. Thank you.